Hey guys, Shayna here. So I know it's been a while since I've put a video up. It's because I was recovering from my mommy makeover, which I'm going to be doing a video on as well. It's going to be coming very soon. But today I want to talk to you guys about migraines. I actually posted on my IG the other day about something called an ocular migraine and migraines in general and what people out there do to sort of help remedy their headaches. And I just had a huge response from everybody. It was actually really incredible, and a lot of people didn't even know, they suffered from ocular migraines but didn't even know the name for it. So today I want to talk to you about 3 remedies that I find, they're over the counter, that I find give a lot of relief for migraines. Obviously, if you are suffering from cluster migraines or something where they're so severe, they're making you vomit, they're making you feel nauseous, you're in so much pain, clearly please go see your doctor, go get a CAT scan, see your neurologist, go see your optometrist, see all the doctors, do all that good stuff. These are just at-home remedies that I feel can really help give people some relief. Now, I suffer from 2 different kinds of migraines, just kind of your run-of-the-mill typical migraine. I get them usually when it's about to rain and the pressure drops. I'm like I don't know, like a weather person. I can tell you when it's about to rain because I usually get a headache or even a migraine from that. I also get hormonal migraines, so usually monthly I get a nice solid migraine. But obviously it's different for everybody, and you really need to kind of find what triggers yours, because it could be food, it could be stress, all that kind of stuff. And I think a great thing to do is to keep a journal. Keep a journal of when you have them, the duration of them, and what you ate that day. So when you do go see your doctor, you can kind of go over it and kind of find out, one, what kind of headaches you're really having, whether they're cluster, whether they're typical migraine, or whether they're ocular or aura. Like I said, I have been suffering with migraines from the time I was 9. Sometimes they're so bad that I actually will like throw up from them, and I can't begin to tell you how horrible it is to throw up when your head is pounding. I can get pain anywhere from my forehead, my temples, the back of my neck, even in my sinuses. But recently I've been having what's called an ocular or aura migraine, and I don't think they even really know why people get them. Some people think it's pressure on the retina. To get the pressure in your eyes checked is very important. I have to say, it was one of the scariest experiences of my life. I was by myself. I was playing video games because I'm a big video game dork gamer. And all of a sudden I started seeing these sort of like flashing lights in the corner of the screen, and I thought, maybe I've been playing video games too long, maybe it's my TV, I don't even know. But then they got so worse, and it was sort of this zigzaggy pattern, kaleidoscope, flashing lights, to the point I was blind and I couldn't see, barely could see. And that was terrifying. I didn't know if I was gonna start tripping on acid, if someone poisoned me. It was a really scary experience. I didn't know if I was having a stroke. So I went upstairs to my bathroom, I removed my contacts, I put my glasses on, and I just went into my bed into the dark. That's what I normally do when I have a migraine, go to the dark. And the good news is about ocular and aura migraines is the flashing light part usually only lasts 5 to 20 minutes. Mine usually lasts about 10 minutes. But then shortly after comes the whopping migraine. So I know a lot of people on my Instagram, at Shayna Moakler, mentioned that they had that same thing. They didn't even know there was a name for it. So I'm telling you, because I went and Googled like a crazy person. If you are suffering from these, again, I'm not a physician. Go see your doctors, please. It never hurts just to get an opinion on what's going on with your body. But today I'm going to give you my 3 over-the-counter remedies that can maybe help you at home. Now, like I said earlier, one of the first things I do is I go into the dark. I'm afraid of the dark. I don't like it at all. So if you see me laying in the dark, you know that I'm in a lot of pain. My migraines get so bad that I can't even have like a shred of light coming in at all. And I usually have these really great blackout sleep masks from a company called Lunya, Lunya.com. They have these really soft flannel, and they kind of cover your whole face. Light is not coming in. They're magical. Please go check them out. One of the first things I wanted to talk to you guys about is this great product here. It's called Ice Cap, and it's Cap with a K. It's incredible. This thing is a lifesaver for so many reasons. It comes with these little gel packs that you put in your freezer, and whenever you do end up having a migraine, and they even have a little thing for your ponytail, but whenever you do have a migraine, they have these pockets inside, like here, and you just put the ice pack in the pockets. They have about 6 of them, and they even have like a big one that you put back in here. This is magical when you have a migraine, because you can wear this where that ice would be right on your face, plus it blocks out all the light. It's amazing. But another reason why I love it is because it's great for tension headaches, because you put the little ice pack in there and you can wear it all the way on the back of your head, and it's just like the most soothing cap ever. I'm completely obsessed with it. I love it. The little packs go here, here, and here, and then you have your big one obviously in the back, or you can flip it around and wear it in the front. I can't begin to tell you guys what a great product this is. I wish more people knew about it, hence why I'm doing this video. It's just lifesaver. Please go check out this company. They're not paying me to do this. I just really, truly think they're rad. So Ice Cap, I believe it's icecaptherapy.com, but I'll figure that out on here for you. All right, so that's my first thing. I'll go get that ice cap and get ready to go. I also take just good old-fashioned Benadryl. I know a lot of people take your Advil, take your Tylenol. When you really are having a severe migraine, that's not really gonna cut it, for me at least. I take a Benadryl because Benadryl is great for inflammation, and a lot of the times what's going on in your head is there's inflammation inside your head. So this is something that I add on to whatever I take. Now, what do I take? I take CVS brand migraine relief. So CVS migraine relief. I know a lot of people like the Excedrin migraine, which is also awesome too. You know, it's a little stronger. Sometimes I find the migraine medicines can really wreak havoc on my body. I don't know sometimes what's worse, the headache or the symptoms from the migraine medicine. Sometimes it just tears up my stomach, or it makes me super jittery because there's a lot of caffeine in it, because obviously caffeine helps with migraines. And now my third and final thing is Quan Lung oil. I think it's also called Prince of Peace. I call it Dr. Fuji. I don't know why, I just do. I've been calling it that for like a decade. So my dad got this for his, this stuff is great for a lot of things. It's sort of like a Tiger Balm. You can get it on Amazon, you can buy it in bulk. I go everywhere with this stuff. It's incredible. It's amazing for achy and sore muscles. You can put it on your back, you can put it on your you know, on your shoulders, leg cramps, anything. What I do with this stuff is I put it on my temples. I know some people out there like to use like mint or tea tree oil. That's great too. For some reason, I just find this gives me like an instant relief. It's incredible. I put it on my neck, I put it on my scalp. My kids always know when I have a migraine because they're like, Mom, we can smell your it smells like a menthol. The one thing about this is you do not want to get it near your eyes at all. So you need to be very careful, especially if you're putting it around your temples and your forehead. It's not a good time if you do. So avoid getting it near your eyes at all costs, but this stuff is magical and I highly, highly recommend it. Besides going into the dark and wearing a face mask, those are my remedies. Those are my over-the-counter remedies for dealing with an ocular or just your average run-of-the-mill migraine. I hope this helps some of you guys out there. Please leave a comment below. Please subscribe and like my channel and do all that good stuff. I'm still learning this crazy realm here, but I'm having a lot of fun with all of you, and I hope this helps someone who suffers from migraines, and I will be back very soon. Peace, guys.